That's working the video, and here is Switch. So now if you use TikTok, you can just watch offline. And how this works, I don't know the importance of it actually, but maybe after you turn on yours, you will know the importance, okay? Because this is how it works. It will just load, okay? Let's say 50 videos or 100 videos for you, and then you can just turn off your data, and then you will be able to watch all those videos. After the 50 videos or 100 videos, you can't watch again. You need to just turn on your data back on. But who knows the reason? If in case you get to know the reason after watching, let me know in the comment section, and then like the video and subscribe for more videos. Let me show you how you can just turn it on. Let's start with it and let's go.
Just come to your profile. When you come to your profile, just as I said, this is the official TikTok. I'm not using the TikTok Lite or any other TikTok, okay? Just the TikTok app on Play Store or App Store, okay? So at the top right corner, just tap on the 10 line. When you tap on it, tap on settings, okay? Just tap on settings. When you just tap on settings, scroll down and look for offline videos. Offline videos. Just tap on it. When you tap on it, it will ask you download videos to watch offline. They will be refreshed with new content when you are next connected to Wi-Fi. Okay, so you can see 50 videos. That's 30 minutes watch time, 27 megabytes. That's the lowest. 50 videos. Okay, so when you just tap on the download right here, it will download 50 videos automatically, which is 27 megabytes. Okay, and then you'll be able to watch 50 videos, which is almost 30 minutes watch time. Okay, you get 50 videos to watch for 27 megabytes at a duration of 30 minutes. Okay, so if 100 videos, that's 50 minutes, that's 70 megabytes. Okay, so the more the videos, the more the megabytes, the more the watch time. So any one of your choice, let's say I want 50 videos, I will just tap on the download right here, and then it will download everything. After that, I can just turn off my data and I will be still watching offline. So let me just give it a try right here. And if you haven't if you want to subscribe, because more videos will be coming right here on this channel. Okay, so we have continue using cellular data for this download. Just tap on continue. Okay, so you can see downloading 0 out of 50. Okay, so now it has started showing. This is the first video that I am about to watch. Okay, so the offline videos will be downloading in the background. Okay, so you can see 5 unwatched videos. It is all loading. It is all loading. 7 right now, 8 right now, and it will be loading up to 50 videos. Okay, so yeah, wait for it, and then you can just use it. Okay, you just need to be scrolling by just turn off your data. Now it hasn't finished with the download. Okay, so that's why some videos are not playing. Okay, so 13, 14, 15 videos right now. After loading to 50, we will just turn off our data and then see how it works. Okay, so after everything I've loaded, you can just swipe and watch all the video that you've downloaded. Okay, and then you can just turn back on your data and then go back to the normal way that you have your data on, and then you will be watching videos right there. Okay, so this one, just as I said, okay, I don't really see the importance of it, although you may see it as important in a way. So let me know your thought in the comment section. And this is it. You watch offline videos on TikTok.